Hey guys, welcome to another video where today I've been thinking about doing something that I should have done a while back. You guys will see, but yeah, let's go straight into it. We're just gonna go straight into it. Dun, 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 dun. To be honest with you guys, it was all better. To be honest, when I first bought it, it was all good. Then it mixed two things up. And I put them back, then I mixed three things up and I put them back. But I accidentally forgot the third thing covered. So that's why we're going to be doing the Rubik's Cube. Da, 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 da. So as you can see, what? So I'm going to set this right here. That's my grandma, sorry. But like you maybe not be able to see me, I don't know. I'm not doing that face. Here's the colors: green. I'm sorry, I just had to do that. Colors are purple, dark, red, green, silver, and yellow. So let's go straight into it. I don't know. Okay, so right now I got this far. This is the trick. You don't try to figure out this other side. When you're trying to figure out this side, which is the easiest, you go like this, and it affects right here. Then you're trying to get it to like right. Usually I just go crazy and I get to it, but like almost. So yeah, that's really how I do the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, it's really difficult. Look at my cheeseburger, guys. Wait, no. Here's my sandwich. We can just take off the stickers. Then there will be no colors. I'm just kidding. Seriously, it's really hard to figure out a Rubik's Cube after you already destroyed it. Oh, I got two ways right here. Okay. So hard so far. I'm not nowhere. Okay, so I got a whole line right here on the wrong spot. So, okay, look how close I am, guys. So close. So freaking close. So hi, guys. Yeah. Just look at the Rubik's Cube. Okay. So I'm gonna end this video here on the Rubik's Cube because it's kind of boring. So, bye.